In the heart of the Mahasurya galaxy, the majestic pillar of Suryansh stood tall. However, the tranquility was shattered when the dark forces of the galaxy, led by the formidable demon lord Ashman, launched a brutal assault on the pillar. As the dark energies of Ashman's army engulfed the pillar, a young woman named Geeta and her cyborg brother, Neil, received the distress signal. Geeta, a skilled warrior with unparalleled bravery, and Neil, a genius inventor with cybernetic enhancements, were known throughout the galaxy for their unwavering dedication to justice. Without hesitation, they set out to defend the pillar of Suryansh. As they approached the battlefield, Geeta handed Neil a pair of advanced energy-infused firearms, known as the Surya Astra. Geeta herself took up a pair of matching firearms, and together, the siblings charged into battle. Ashman, a behemoth of dark energy, sneered at the duo, confident in his own superior strength. The demon lord hurled bolts of shadowy energy, but Geeta and Neil dodged and weaved with agility, their movements a testament to their years of training. The battle raged on, with Geeta and Neil unleashing a barrage of Surya Astra blasts that shook the very foundations of the galaxy. Ashman retaliated with waves of dark matter, but the siblings stood firm, their bond and determination fueling their fight. As the fight intensified, the Surya Astra guns began to glow with an intense, golden light. Geeta and Neil synchronized their attacks, unleashing a dual blast of ultimate energy that shattered Ashman's defenses. The demon lord stumbled back, his dark energies faltering. Seizing the opportunity, Geeta and Neil launched a final assault. The Surya Astra guns blazed with unprecedented ferocity, bathing Ashman in a torrent of solar energy. The demon lord let out a deafening roar as his dark form began to dissipate, banished from the galaxy by the combined might of the siblings. With Ashman defeated and the pillar of Suryansh safe, Geeta smiled, her eyes shining with pride. The pillar of Suryansh stood tall once more, its light illuminating the galaxy, thanks to the unwavering courage of the siblings.